Here I have INFINIX Hot 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. It could be people, like conversations, calls, messages. It could be apps. It could be alarms and other interruptions. It could be, you can set up a schedule for this mode. You can change its default duration. And you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable visuals or sound. Or you can customize what you want to disable and what you want to leave on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.